Hello, my friends. Today, I want to share a little bit of French magic with you, right from your own kitchen. We're going to make a Croque Madame. Oh, it's a real classic. Just picture this: toasty golden bread, yummy cheesy sauce, some ham, and a beautiful sunny egg right on top. It's the perfect thing for brunch, lunch, or really anytime you want something cozy and delicious. First, let's see what we need. You'll need some good white bread, ham sliced nice and thin, Gruyere cheese, eggs, a little butter, flour, and milk. Nothing too fancy, just try to get the best you can. Let's start by making the special white sauce. It's called béchamel. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a small pot. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of flour and let it cook for just a minute, nice and easy. Now slowly pour in 1 cup of warm milk. Keep whisking, whisking, whisking until it gets nice and thick. Add a little salt, pepper, and just a tiny bit of nutmeg for flavor. Take it off the heat and stir in a handful of grated Gruyere cheese. Oh la la, it's going to be so creamy. Okay, now let's put it all together. Spread some of that yummy white sauce on each slice of bread. Put a slice of ham and a little more cheese on one piece of bread. Then put the other slice on top to make a sandwich. Spread a little more white sauce on the top of the sandwich. Sprinkle with more cheese, and then we'll put it under the broiler in the oven until it's golden brown and bubbly. Last but not least, the egg. In a little bit of butter, fry an egg sunny side up. Take your time, let the edges get a little crispy. Then, gently place that beautiful egg right on top of your sandwich. Voila! Now you have a Croque Madame that looks like it came straight from a cafe in Paris. And now the best part, it's time to taste it. It's crunchy, it's creamy, it's so rich, and oh, that egg. It's just wonderful. I really hope you try making this at home. It's a great way to bring a little bit of French happiness to your table. Thanks so much for watching, and welcome to Global Family Cookbook. If you like this, please subscribe so we can cook together again really soon.